Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is December 10th, 2025, and here are the latest AI updates. This episode is sponsored by Pickert. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. Linux Foundation launched the Agentic AI Foundation to unite competitors OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and Microsoft in developing open standards for autonomous AI agents. The effort centers on three open-source projects: Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, which links models to external tools and data, and now runs on more than 10,000 MCP servers. Supported by Claude, Cursor, Microsoft Copilot, Gemini, VS Code, and ChatGPT, Block's Goose, released early 2025, which combines language models with tools and MCP integration, and OpenAI's Agents.md, released in August 2025 and adopted by more than 60,000 projects. The foundation aims to prevent vendor-locked agent silos and promote interoperable, manufacturer-independent protocols. Google anchors Gemini as the central interface for Android XR and extends AI to headsets and glasses. For the Samsung Galaxy XR, Google is deploying features including a beta called Likeness, which creates a digital avatar mirroring expressions and gestures. A planned auto-spatialization will analyze two-dimensional content on device and convert it into stereoscopic, three-dimensional. Partners Samsung, Gentle Monster, and Warby Parker are building AI glasses with cameras and microphones for object recognition, translation, and proactive info. The Android XR SDK Developer Preview 3 includes the Gemini Live API for apps using visual and audio data, such as guiding to a pickup or identifying a driver's license plate.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickert's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickert.de. Pickertde. Mistral AI released Devstral 2 and Devstral Small 2 open-source models. Mistral reports Devstral 2 is up to 7 times more cost-efficient than Claude Sonnet, requiring 4 H100 class GPUs. Devstral Small 2 runs on commodity hardware and is under the Apache 2.0 license. Devstral 2 uses a modified MIT license with a revenue cap. Companies with more than $20 million monthly revenue must obtain a commercial license or use the API, applies to derivatives and fine-tunes. Mistral Vibe is a CLI that automates multi-file code edits and bug fixes via natural language. Devstral 2 is free via the API and later costs $0.4 per million input tokens. India has proposed a mandatory royalty system for AI companies that train models on copyrighted content. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade released a framework granting AI firms access to all copyrighted works in exchange for payments to a collecting body of rights holders, which would distribute royalties to creators. The 8-member committee says a blanket license lowers compliance costs and ensures compensation, noting Sam Altman's comment that India is OpenAI's second largest market. NASSCOM and the Business Software Alliance favor a text and data mining exception or opt-out. The proposal is open for public consultation for 30 days. OpenAI and Google did not respond. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.